Hello everyone, today we are at Paner Pancard Club Road and we are about to see a 3 BHK sample flat of 1135 square feet. The project name is Tej Olivia. It is a new launch property. So at the entrance you will get video door phone system. This is your main door. The height of this door is 8 feet. And you will get a biometric lock system. Now this is your very spacious and well designed living cum dining. You can see how perfectly the flat has been designed for you. This side is your living area. Here you will get the provision for television, and opposite to this you have your attached balcony, a very spacious one, and it will be covered from top, no odd even concept. The size of this balcony is 8 by 10 is 10.3. This side is your dining area. And behind this you have kitchen. It will have L-shaped platform, and the material used in this platform is not a granite, it is engineered wood. It is a new concept. You will also get a sink which will have PMC water connection, and like this you can design your kitchen. This side you have a very spacious dry balcony which will be again covered from top. It will have washing machine and dishwasher provision. Now we'll see the bedrooms. So opposite to your kitchen and beside your dining area you have a very spacious guest bedroom. It is of 10 by 13.6. So we had focused on the room sizes, and you can see the windows. These are all full length windows. So we are taking care of the ventilation as well. Now we'll see the other bedrooms. Before that, let's see the common washroom. This is the common washroom. The fittings will be exactly the same. The CP sanitary fittings and the tiles all will be same. This is your second bedroom. Again a very spacious one. You can take the feel once you come down to the site. We'll show you this amazing sample flat. Again full length window and an attached washroom. A perfectly designed apartment, a luxurious product. And now we'll see the master bedroom, which is beside your second bedroom. This is a very spacious master bedroom. It is of 11 by 14.6. So you can design this bedroom as per your convenience. In fact, you can design all the bedrooms as per your convenience. All the bedrooms are of good size. So this is your master bedroom, and this side is attached washroom. All the fittings are of premium quality, premium brand. So for this particular project we are having some good offers and discounts, so please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. So thank you so much for watching this amazing sample flat video.